Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Truist One checking to avoid credit card overdraft fees. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To configure your Truist One checking account and avoid credit card overdraft fees, start by logging into your Truist online banking account. Use your credentials to access your account dashboard. Once logged in, navigate to the Accounts section. Locate your Truist One checking account in the list of accounts displayed. Click on the account to access its details. Look for the Overdraft Protection option in the menu. Select Manage Overdraft Protection to start configuring your settings. You may see options for linking your checking account to a savings account or a line of credit. Choose the option that best fits your needs for overdraft protection. If linking to a savings account, ensure you have sufficient funds in that account to cover potential overdrafts. If opting for a line of credit, review the terms and conditions associated with it. After selecting your preferred option, click Save to apply the changes. Next, review your notification settings to ensure you receive alerts for low balance warnings. Check if you can set up automatic transfers to cover overdrafts in your chosen configuration. Always double-check the account details to confirm accurate settings. Once you have confirmed everything is correct, log out of your online banking account. You have now successfully configured your Truist One checking account to avoid credit card overdraft fees. Regularly monitor your account balances and transactions to maintain financial awareness. This proactive approach will help you avoid fees and manage your finances effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.